Fluffy.
And we're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy. And most importantly, read the house down.
Hi, friends.
Hi, Faye. Hi, Fluffy.
Oh, this is so exciting. I'm so happy to be here with everyone again today. And I can't wait to do some learning and playing.
I'm so excited because today we're going to be learning about caring. Oh, there's so much stuff here. It's a mess.
It really is. All right, let's start the show.
Wait. We need to tidy up.
Tidy up? No, I don't want to do that.
I know. That cleaning up can be a real drag. The more hands, the lighter the work. Even a difficult task becomes easy when more people share in the work.
That's right. When friends help out, then it makes things easier to do.
Yes.
So, do you think that maybe you could help us clean up, please?
Yeah!
On your mark.
Get set.
Tidy up!
Drag-tastic job, everyone. You're right, Faye. Things do go a lot easier when you do them with friends. What do our friends know about sharing?
We can share our toys if people want to use them.
When you finish the last snack and one of your family members want it, you can give them a piece. If somebody needs a pencil, then you'll give them her pencil.
Thank you. Sharing your thoughts is another important way that we can share.
That's right. And when we share our feelings, then it helps us release our emotions.
Do we always have to share?
Yes, you always have to share it.
What do you think, Fluffy?
That's a great question, Faye. And the answer is no, we don't always have to share, because sometimes when we say no, it's creating a boundary. And that's also a really important thing to learn about.
Do any of you know what the word boundary means?
Like when you just get on something and someone asks you right away, can I have this? And then you tell them, oh, I just got on. You can have it in a few minutes.
Waiting your turn is a great way to practice sharing and being patient. All of this talk about sharing has made me feel a little hungry.
Me too.
Time for a snack.
Wow, that snack looks really good.
It really is.
Could I maybe have a piece?
Oh, this is my special snack because I did all of my chores this week, and so maybe not right now, Fluffy.
Oh, okay.
But you know what? Now you can have some. I just wanted a few more before I gave you the rest.
Thank you. Sharing is delicious. Do you all want some too? Hey, buddy. If you share your ball with me, we can play fetch and count the number of times you catch the ball. All right. 1. You gotta share the ball with me if you want to play. Do you want to play? Yay! Okay. 1. Okay, I'll wait until you're done playing with the ball. All right. 1. 2. 3. Oh, looks like sharing time is over. Well, it was fun while it lasted.
And share all day.
Oh, hi, Fuzz. Hi, Moogie.
Hi, it's so great to see you here with us today. How are you?
Not great, to be honest.
We're both in a bit of a pickle.
And it's kind of a big deal.
What's going on? Maybe Fluffy and I can help you out.
Well, I just got this new bouncy ball, and it's totally the coolest bouncy ball in the whole world. I think I can reach outer space with this beauty.
It is so awesome. So what's the problem?
Fuzz keeps wanting to see how much higher it will bounce each time, and I feel so bored and left out just watching him. I don't want to play this game.
I don't want Moogie to feel left out. But I just need to see how high this ball can bounce. I'm pretty sure I'm this close to reaching the clouds.
Okay. So Fuzz wants to keep bouncing the ball.
And Moogie also wants to bounce the ball. Are we getting any ideas here?
Oh yeah, totally. Of course, it was in front of our eyes all along.
Actually, we have no idea.
Oh, bounce to each other.
That's right. Because Fuzz, you made up such a fun game, but wouldn't it be better if Moogie also got to play it too?
And you both get to keep bouncing the ball, and maybe Moogie will reach the clouds first.
Oh, you are on, Moogie.
I'm gonna bounce it to the moon.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna bounce it to Mars.
Hi, I'm Amy Jenny. G-A-N-A-K-I. I'm only 5. I share my room with my big sister. Look. This is my sister bed. This is my bed.
Are we ready to sing the Settle Down song?
We're ready! Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is No Help Wanted by Ruth Owie. Bluey was Room 2's new class pet.
Mr. Zen talked about how someone needed to feed Bluey every day. Posy was very keen.
Posy picked the fanciest food flakes for Bluey. This one is shaped like a woolly mammoth. Posy and Bluey together. Posy provided stimulation, so Bluey was never bored. We can all be friends, growled Posy in her best monster shark voice.
The following day, Jacob said, I made a puppet too. I'll take that, said Posy. This will help with the parade scene. How do you think Jacob's feeling here?
Sad.
Why do you think that is?
Because she just took it from him. That's called no manners.
Correct.
I think Bluey needs a checkup, said Sam. I'm a vet. May I take a look? I'll do it, said Posy. You'll scare her.
All you need is me, Posy said. But Bluey was not looking that well.
Posy formed each food flake into a tiny tiara, but Bluey was not impressed.
The next day, Posy staged a full-scale fish-themed musical. But still, Bluey looked unwell. If your fish is healthy, what does it normally do?
Swim around.
Swims around.
Everyone will blame me, thought Posy. So Posy hid Bluey.
But Bluey was not napping. Bluey? Oh no!
Posy knew what she had to do. I need help! Maybe we can all practice saying, help, please.
The class came and helped. What can we do? How can we help?
Bluey started looking better, and so did Posy. You're a great fish friend, said Mr. Zen. Thanks for letting us help.
The following week was Jacob's turn. Posy had lots of helpful tips. And the class couldn't help noticing that Bluey always seemed to enjoy
A
good puppet show.
And that was No Help Wanted.
Did everyone enjoy the story that we shared today? Yes! I really enjoyed sharing space with all of you today.
And I really loved it when Faye shared her snack with us.
Me too.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read.
See you next time.